In today's video, I'm going to teach you Obsidian is a powerful free note-taking app that uses markdown files stored locally for linked knowledge management. Follow these steps to get started quickly across major platforms. First, let's download and install the app. Open your browser and go to obsidian.md/download. Choose the installer for your operating system. On Windows, grab the universal installer and follow the setup prompts. On Mac OS, download the app and drag it into your applications folder. On Linux, you can use Snap, App Image, or Flatpak, depending on what you prefer. On mobile, head to the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS and install from there. Once it's installed, launch the app so we can set up your space. When Obsidian opens, you'll see the startup screen. Click Create New Vault. A vault is simply a folder on your device that holds all your notes as plain markdown files, which means you always keep full control of your data. Pick a local folder you can easily find later, give your vault a clear name, and click Create. That's your personal knowledge base set up and ready. Now make your first note, click Create New Note, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or CMD+N. You're in editing mode by default. If you want to quickly switch to a clean reading view, toggle Preview with Ctrl or CMD+E. Obsidian auto-saves as you type, but Ctrl or CMD+S will save as well. On the left, the File Explorer lets you organize notes into folders. Just drag and drop to keep things tidy. Markdown makes formatting fast and flexible. Use a number sign for headers, asterisks to create lists, and double asterisks to make text bold. Since everything is plain text, your notes remain lightweight and portable. Let's link ideas together. Type double square brackets, then the note name like this, note name. You can hover over a link to preview the content and click to jump straight there. To explore connections, check out Obsidian's core plugins in the left sidebar. Graph View gives you a visual map of how notes relate. Backlinks show which notes reference the one you're viewing, helping you discover context you might have missed. Daily Notes creates a fresh page for quick journaling or logs. If you want to customize further, open Settings, go to Community Plugins, and enable Community Plugins and Themes. This unlocks extras like templates and visual styles. Just install what you trust and review descriptions before enabling. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.